Hello. Is this gonna be too loud? I think. Pa pa da pa pa pa. Sure, should be good. Hey. Hello, 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 hello. Okay, so today what we're gonna do is a little bit different actually. Since it's not yeah, I took a little break from my game project, and now I'm gonna actually, yeah, I took a break on my game project and I'm working on recreating the pathfinding tutorial that I did before. I want to make it better, and people requested for that, so that's why I'm doing it. So yeah, so today I'm gonna work on that again a little bit. So right now what I'm trying to do is to find a way to spawn the grid a bit more efficiently. Yeah, it's a big mess. But yeah, because right now, let's see, not there. Spawn grid. Let's see if I spawn the grid, and let's see if I use like a big grid. I think that my grid number's somewhere here. Okay, so if I use a big grid, let's say 100 by 100 small tiles, it will take a little bit to spawn. So it took like a little amount of time. Let's see if I make it, oh nope, not 5 by 5, but 500 by 500. If I spawn it this way, it takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It takes a few seconds, like a bunch of seconds, and it's still generating. Okay, yeah, that's getting long. See, so it worked, but it took a little bit. So my plan is to try to find a way to spawn that grid, same exact grid, but way faster. The way we can do that is by not doing the line trace here to get the locations. That's my guess. But what we have right now, let's say if I do something like this, I'm gonna just get the location without doing a line trace. So let's do the same exact spawn. Okay, it's already done. Like it took like, let's say 5 seconds instead of 15, something like that. But right now we are not checking anything, so the tiles are above the ground instead of being snapped on the ground. Because they are spawned a little bit higher. Yeah. I don't know where they are exactly, like a few centimeters above the ground. But yeah, so I want to find a way to do the line trace to spawn the grid, but do it more efficiently. Yeah. So instead of doing like 10,000 line traces on one frame, I want to do it, maybe do one line trace, one big bugs trace, detect all the floor thingy that were in that zone, and then spawn it, like use that zone to spawn the tiles at different height. That might be complicated though. So yep, that's the objective for today. It's probably gonna be faster than expected. I hope so. And then I'm gonna improve like the rest. Yeah, I have a bunch of improvements to do still. That's why it's still a big mess. I'm just messing around trying to make it work. So I have like multiple functions and a bunch of code randomly. Random code, testing everywhere. Yeah. And I don't know if we can get the bounding box of that thing. Or actually, just the location should be enough. No, we need the bounding box. So can we get actor bounds? That can be actually really good. So we could, everything that is inside a bound, we could move them to the right position. So let's say we spawn like 10,000 items or whatever, and then we can look inside that 10,000 list and compare with all the bounds. Is inside bounds like vector bounded to box? What does that do? Clamped inside. Nope, that's not what we want. Yeah. Can I get something from there? Get the bounds naturally. Start index, num index. That could be interesting, but I don't have the indexes. Oopsie. Oh. Get instance overlapping box. Ah. That's actually really good. So then I could go through all of them. Oh, that could be what I want, actually. Oh. How to make a box. With a min and a max, I guess it's corner. Make a box from min and max. Can I draw a box? Draw a box. Draw debug box, maybe. Does the box is made? Actually, I don't know. So what we can do is just because I want to try it, I'm gonna go back in the simple function. Where's my simple function? God damn it. Create tile? Sure, good enough. No. Oh, it's an event. Yeah, I have like... It's a big mess. Okay, so let's see. Minus 200 to 200. And do a for loop. Actually, update. Update instance transform. Sure, let's do that. And then we're gonna put them below above the ground. Let's set 100 in the air. Let's see 150 because I know that I don't have any 150 thingies. Get instance transform. Oopsie, that's here, that there. Something like that. And wall space. I don't care. Teleport, nope. Or maybe... Can I make it? Nope. Never mind. Okay, so maybe something like that. This is a big mess. I'm gonna make it smaller because I don't wanna take forever to do everything every time. Even 50, well, whatever, should be fine. Okay, let's do this. Please work. Oh, that's actually pretty damn good. Oh, wow. Huh. That's nice. So what I'm able to do is to get all the instances inside which a specific volume, and then I can simply adjust their height to the real height that I want. So that's pretty damn good, I think. So I'm just gonna do that. Bigger grid, and then we're gonna do it for real. So spawn grid, boom, medium, and in there, boom. Okay. So I don't care about that. We're gonna do a big multi-box trace that's gonna detect all the grounds everywhere. Then for all of them, I want to know where's the location, maybe? Or do I care? Actually, I don't think I care. But I'm gonna make a bunch of boxes, I think. So instead of an array of vector, I'm gonna make an array of boxes. There we go. And then we're gonna make a box for everything. And the box is gonna be simply origin plus extent actually set to all factor size in 3D space. So plus the extent and minus the extent should work. Maybe. Origin plus, let's see, 4040 and minus 4040 should give me everything I need. Okay, so we have all the boxes here. And then we can just loop through all the boxes. We still have to spawn the tiles for now. So we're just gonna do that. And then once the tile are spawned, just gonna do that because I don't care much. Okay. And then once they are spawned, I'm gonna loop through all the boxes, get the instances, boom. And then what I want is set their height to the max height possible of that box. So the X and Y won't change, but the height is gonna change, which mean that we have to find the heights, which should be the Z of the max of the box. That should be good, actually. Okay, let's see how it goes. Boom. Okay. That clearly didn't work. Why? It kind of worked, but not really. Looks like there's a kind of an offset. So this box is going up to here. That one there. That's so weird. Okay. Why though? Maybe the instances are not really overlapping the box. Yeah, I might actually have to add a little bit of an offset. Let's say 5 here. I'm not sure it's gonna help though. Oof. Okay, no, didn't help at all. So, spawning the tile. Oh, I'm still doing the line trace. I don't want to do that. No, no line trace. I want to spawn the tile, that's it. To this location. Okay. Okay, so it didn't work. Okay. Why? So what we're gonna do is here, let's say I'm gonna say plus 50 for the max height, and then I'm gonna reduce it by 50 here just to put it back on the ground. And it didn't work. Okay, why? Are we overlapping anything? Nope. Okay, that's an issue. So nothing's overlapping the boxes for some reason. What if I try to print the box? Can I print that? I don't think I can. Can I get... How can I... I'm gonna draw the box. So this will be the center. And I guess the extent, the line color should be whatever, red. Duration 50, thickness, whatever, 2, doesn't matter. So, I have the... Okay, so these are good. Yeah, these are really good. Okay, so the bounding box are good. My calcul might be wrong though. So it's origin minus extent. We can try that. Draw debug sphere. Where's that thing? Line color, let's say yellow. Yellow, it's not really visible. So blue. Radius 100 is fine, duration 50 also. So thickness 2 is good too. And then I'm gonna do it same thing for the up. But I'm gonna put it like reddish. Maybe not red, orange, whatever. Wanna see where is the box. Okay, so in the middle, that's good. Okay, bottom right corner, I assume. Yeah, that seems to be bottom right corner. And top, bottom left and top right. So these are good, so it should work. So the overlapping doesn't work. Why? Get instance overlapping box. I'm pretty sure that the box is good. Okay, we're gonna just make it huge, just to be sure. Okay, so now it worked. Okay, so they were higher than 50 above the ground. Actually, it's above the grid position. That's odd. Okay, so then we're just gonna like put it like 200 maybe. And then 200 here, remove that thingy, because it's making it lag. Okay, still something wrong. But it's, at least it's right on the ground now. But it's still wrong in the sense that this, there are some tiles under that one. Yeah. So there's enough set in the box somehow. Huh. That's weird. Okay. What if I just remove the wall space? It's probably not gonna help, but whatever. Worth a shot. Yeah, no, it's the same exact thing. Okay. Ah. Yeah, why? Yeah, that's weird. Could probably do that though. Make a list of all the instances and spawn them all at the same time. Will probably make more sense. But it's not gonna help much in that situation. So that thing here, I don't care about it. Ooh. Then I can instead of spawning it this way, I can do it this way. You have the bottom left corner, and then I'm getting the grid size, and the C, I'm putting in whatever, it doesn't matter. The C is gonna be overridden later, and then the transform is all right. So now we're just gonna build the array here. So rotation, and the scales should be normal. It should be good. And then I can spawn them this way. We're just gonna see how it is, like that. Okay, that's weird. What just happened? That was weird. Huh. How many grids do I have? It's like 3 or 4 grids on top of each other. The tiles are twice the size they should be. Okay. Yep. So I have to do that here for the scale. And actually, just the scale in Y and X, because they are planes, so they don't need to be scaled. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Oh, well, that's fast, though. Damn. It's instant. Is it because it's this? Okay, what if I just put 500 by 500? Small. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, damn. Okay, it still takes a while to spawn. It's not great. So maybe the idea is not that great, actually. Okay, we're gonna compare. Okay, so I want to know which one's the fastest. So I'm just gonna go here. We're gonna take a snapshot of the time before, and then we're gonna print the time after. See, time minus time to have the difference between both times, total milliseconds. Okay. 500 by 500. Okay. So no grid detection at all. No ground detection, I mean. It takes. I have to remove that zero thing. 4.2 seconds. 4.3 seconds. Okay. So then if I go back here and I use the simple one, which is a spawning tile, can just start by this. I want to see how this costs. Five. This one took 5 seconds. So there's a bit of an improvement in there. And then if I wanna use this location instead. That one takes a while. Yeah. So it's slow, but it's better. 18 seconds. That one is bad. Yeah. So that's not an option. With all the line traces and stuff, it will be way better to fix that instead. Okay. So I'm happy to see that this one is the fastest yet. But it doesn't work. Now I just have to make it work. Oopsie. Why? These are good. The boxes are good, I know. So I'm just gonna put them like a bit above ground. Or actually it's not. Yeah. This doesn't count, but here instead of minus 200, 195. So they are a little bit above the ground. Okay. I'm not executing the code. How long does it take? Yeah, that takes forever. Oh, that's not an option. I don't know what I did, but Unreal's not happy about it. Yeah, that's not great. Okay, I'm just gonna go get a hoodie, I guess. Yeah, it's not great. The worst part about that, I cannot really cancel it. I could kill Unreal and reopen it, I guess, but so, how's your day? Why? Should I kill Unreal? I know, how long is it gonna take? Damn. Okay. Maybe I can just reopen it and then if it opens fast enough. I'm gonna kill the other one. Yep. Unreal's gonna die. Bye bye. Okay, so first of all, let's bring that thing down to 50 by 50. Just gonna try that. Okay, that makes more sense. Good. Okay. Why is it not good though? I'm gonna put that back to 10, just so we have a bit more something to work with. Maybe 50s, 100 by 100. Sounds good. Okay. So why is this like that? So, first of all, why is it that slow? So maybe if I could do this and can I Nope, that's no good. Okay. Inside box, inbox is point in box. That can actually be good. But we have a ton of boxes, so that might be super mega hyper slow. Maybe I can do it like that instead. So it's gonna be origin and extent. Can probably do something like that. array of origins, array of extent. Add the origin and add the extent. Hello, hello. Yes. Thanks. Yeah, the live stream is gonna be available on the channel after. Yeah. But I'm not doing like anything really that's worth watching. I'd say. But if you want, I mean, I'm happy. But yeah, I'm just trying to improve the performances of the grid, so it's pretty much just me working on the next series. Yep. But yeah, it's gonna be available later. Mm-hmm. Mm. Making a new series. Yes, I'm gonna make a new series with the pathfinding and stuff. It's gonna be the grid, and after that it's gonna be the RPG tactical combat system. I'm pretty much gonna go back at least where we were in the previous series, and then I'm gonna like build on top of that, which with probably like new mechanics and things like this. Yeah. So yeah, it's gonna be multiple parts, like a ton of parts, probably. But I'm gonna try to make it like more whatever, short and straight to the point. Yeah, not to make like hours videos like before. Yep. Okay, this is probably gonna be super slow. Oh, it's not slow, but it doesn't work. Really? Oh yeah, yeah. Creating assets is always the steps that stops me. I get lazy at that point usually. But yeah. When are you gonna have a new PC? Soon or like in a few months? Toot, toot. Oh, that seems fun. That seems okay. That's weird. Why is it not working? Maybe because of that. Oh, okay. So that's good. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what to get. I cannot help you, sadly. At least you have all the other parts. That's a good start. But yeah, usually I'm not the one who's making my computer, so I just find a friend somewhere and I say, hey, I need help. Yeah, so yeah, sorry, I can't help you. But yeah, I guess they can be pretty expensive. Yeah. And yeah, I will not buy anything used. I think it's not worth it for that. I mean, not for a PC. Oh, that seems good. Nice. My grill's working. Woohoo. That's good. And it was pretty fast to spawn. Now, is it faster than the other method? I hope it is. Otherwise, my computer is gonna crash again. Okay. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Okay. Okay. Oh no, okay. So it's about 10 seconds, I guess. Yeah, about 10 seconds to spawn it that way. Okay, compared to before, the same grid. How long will it take if I take this simple way? Which is just spawning it to the right height. So it's either 10 seconds or... Still takes a while though. 17 seconds. So it's a small improvement. Yeah. Well, a small improvement. It's like half the time. But it's still pretty dang slow. So yeah, and I don't have all the data in my new technique either. Damn. Oh, damn, that's a mess. So. Is there a way to get all the points in a box? Okay, so this is not good. I'm gonna move that away. That's not good either. So do you know a way to get a bunch of points in a box? Let's say I have an array of vector. I want all these. I want to know which one is inside the box and which is not. This is not good. Okay, so that's good. And then I have my boxes and my extents here. I think that will be the best way to do that. I'm not sure about another way. I don't need any of that crap, and I'm gonna... Yeah, sure. No, never mind. Okay. So, is anything... any function that I could use to detect if there's a point inside a box? Which is pretty much what I'm doing right now, but yeah. Point and box. This point and box would transform. I don't know if we want to rotate the box. I don't want to. Instead of looping twice, I could do the calcul here, but it's still bad. Oh. Could make it a little bit faster, but it still would not be great. So let's see if I'm just gonna move this away. And I'm gonna put that one here. Put that in the variable there. And then can loop and do the same as here. So this is the point, this is the box, this is the extent of the box. I'm gonna add the box, I assume, yep, minus 200 because of the way I did my boxes. Then I'm gonna add that together, and then I'm just gonna select the vector here based on that. So it's either this vector or this vector with a different z, that's z. So something like this. So I will skip that other loop there completely. How long it's gonna take? Did I connect my good function? I don't think I did. So it's gonna be 17 seconds of waiting. 17 seconds, yes. Okay. That's good. It's as slow as before. Now we're just gonna go back in the right function. If I can get like under 5 seconds, I'm gonna be happy, I guess. I don't know. Seems pretty slow. Is this slower? That doesn't make sense. Yeah, it should not be slower. That's weird. 26. No, there's a problem with my grid. Yeah, I have 2 grids? I have 2 grids, what the hell? Yeah, no, that's not good. Oh, yeah, never mind. This for each with break. Because if we find it once, we're not gonna find a new one. So I guess that instead of doing that, I can just make an if here. So if true, do this break and that thing here. Oh well, that was just a mess. What the hell did I do? I have a 12 here, I have an 11 there. I want 11, I don't want 12. Oh damn, I have to clean everything because I'm getting lost. And then down here I'm gonna use the 11. Okay. I think 12 is not used. Yeah, goodbye 12. And then if it's inside the box, I want to have that here. So I'm just gonna split it. Something like that. Okay. That might be better. Oh wow, it still takes 9 seconds, damn. Okay. Okay, that's not good. That is not good. Is there something wrong with my grid? No, it seems fine. There's a bit of an offset, but whatever, it doesn't matter. Okay. So this is 9 seconds. And that version here instead, how long was it? So this one was 9 point something. I cleared it, I guess. I'm dumb. 9.9, whatever, 10 seconds. And this one is this one is 10 seconds, okay. Okay, so that one's faster somehow. I could probably improve that one. Actually, it's not faster, but it's just... It's pretty much the same, I guess. Why is that one so slow? Shouldn't be slow. But I can flip that one though, for each. Not really break. That one is gonna be first. That one's gonna be inside. And it's gonna put there, but it's gonna be a for each with break. Same as the other one. So something like this. I'm gonna have that there, this here, that one there. Okay. So this should make it a little faster. Mm-hmm. 10 seconds also. What the? Should be a bit faster. I don't know why it's not. That's not good. But this one is a little bit faster. So that one is like slower, but whatever. Not by a ton. That's the problem. Okay, so I have the position here. Then what I'm doing is looping through all my my boxes, and I look at the point. Is it inside the box? If it is, we adjust the location and we break. And then we simply add that to the list. And after that, this is added. And the grid is spawn completed. So, how long take each steps, maybe? Can try it now. Try test it here, I guess, I mean. I'm totally complicating everything for no reason, but it's just I want to make it clean, like the best possible. So how long take each step? Okay, so I cannot change 3 seconds. Okay, that's a bit of time that I don't have any control over it. Okay. What's the difference between adding them one by one or all at the same time? Can look at that real quick. So it was 2.7 seconds. Now it's 4.1. So this is not useful. Not useful, but this is better. Which is expected. So it doesn't matter. Okay. And if I just spawn it, I don't look at the boxes. This is pretty much a minimum. But if I spawn them right away, changes something though. Just gonna move this here to compare. Actually, this is gonna be after here. Okay. So how long does this step take? The other one is 2.7. That one is 1.5, 1.6. Okay. What if? So these two total, if I put this here, is 4.12. 19, whatever. But if I do it this way instead, add instance, and I put it right in there. Okay, so I don't need to add them at the end here. So this one was 4.2 seconds. And that way is gonna be 4.8. Okay, so it's still faster to add them all at the same time, which makes sense. I'm just curious to see if I put that in variable instead of doing that division here a ton of times. Pretty sure it's not gonna be a big deal, but whatever. So it was 4.4898 turned into 4.7. Oh, it's still a tenth of a second. So this is a tenth of a second slower, faster, I mean. Okay. And this is just better. Okay. Slowly getting there. But the height is not good, so it's not good. Or 2. And I don't have the good height, so that's not good. That's not good. This is pretty much free. Okay, what if I use a hierarchical instance? We'll see. Is it better? Grid plane with grid material. How fast is this? There's clearly a problem. I don't know what it is, but there's a problem. Okay, the grid is way too high. Is that the problem? It's casting shadows. That's weird. Shadow. Receive shadow, no. And I want no collision. Oh, actually, I probably want some. Never mind. Okay. Okay, so it's pretty much the same. Okay, so that's not useful. I'm just gonna remove this new and continue with the same I was using before. Okay. Yeah, it's a bit annoying. The worst is that even if I get good performances, I don't have anything good. I mean, the tile position and the tile type is not calculated yet. And then it's super limiting. So that's not great. So, what if I compare both? So this is the default. Oh yeah, that's just not good. I mean, okay. I guess I can just do that. And go back to my function here. So that's the new way I wanted to do, but it's not that great. So I can probably do kind of a mix and see how it goes. So this. Then I'm gonna add here with the scale and everything. Once it's done, oh, actually, I need a box trace. Boom. When the index, I don't care. I'm gonna just get it from here, I guess. Actually, I already have it. Boom. Okay. Actually, I don't want to do this calculate every time. So do this line trace. If yes, add that. And then I have access to the ground type. And then I can do this at the end. How slow is this? 6 seconds. The height is completely broken. So this is faster. So doing 1,000 of line trace is faster than comparing. So I guess line trace are good. This is the fastest way I have right now. And it's shit. It's not shit, it's just not great. And there's something weird now that it's not snapped to the grid, looks like. Or maybe it is just that my value here shouldn't be 5, it should be like 10. Or like a multiple of 5 should be good actually. Like 2 is gonna be better, but 5 should be good. Should work with 5. Yeah. 2 is perfect. So I guess my floor is not 5 friendly. It's probably like a multiple of power of 2 instead of whatever. Okay. So maybe like 4 or 10 is better. But whatever, doesn't matter. Yeah. So we go. So we have the old grid now, and it's perfect. And it's annoying that this is the fastest way to do it, because it's not great. And half of the time is just to add the instance. So half of the calculation time right now is the line trace, and the other half is just to spawn the mesh. So yeah, it's not something really. I guess we're gonna have to go with it. Oh yeah. Because this part here versus the other one is not that big of a difference. So if I put this here, get the time before and the time after, plus the other time that is calculated already printed. So the line trace part is 3.6, and the other one is like the difference, so 2 point something. 2 seconds. 2.1. So getting the data, the grid data is 2 seconds. It's 3 seconds, and then spawning takes 2. Are we really? Does it really matter? That's the thing. At that point, it doesn't really matter. I want to cast it though. I want to see how bad is this if I cast. I assume these are static mesh actor. Yes. It was 3.6 now with the cast. 3.9. Yeah, it's not a big difference. And gives me all the data I need. Okay. Yeah, I guess I don't have any better solution for that. That's a bit annoying. So spawning, I guess that's the fastest way, which means that spawning a 500 by 500 grid will freeze the game for X amount of time, which is 7 seconds. And it's a pretty big grid. 500 by 500. 500 by 500 equals 250k. 250,000 titles. Which is a lot. Will you really have that? Nope. I assume that like the biggest would be like a 50 by 50. Or like maybe 100 by 100. And even then, like huge. So let's say if I go with like a 50 by 50 at 10 units each, looks like this. It's a big grid. Let's say you have a fight here. That's whatever. It's a bit small right now, but let's say 500, 100 units per tile. It looks like something like this. It's a bit off, a lot off. I mean, that's so weird. It was way better before. Yeah, I broke something somewhere because my grid was perfectly aligned before. That's weird. But yeah, it's still like it's a huge grid. So yeah, it won't be a problem, I think. Okay. So I have to keep it that way. Okay, so what's the problem with my size? It's so weird. I'm gonna remove a bunch of stuff now. So this... all that. Boom. I want to see the difference. What did I break? So I'm just gonna use the power of source control. Difference against. So what changed since last time? New variable, I don't care. Default settings, I totally don't care. What the heck? Doesn't matter. Components. Sure, doesn't matter. Grid. That doesn't matter. That thing doesn't matter. I added a bunch of crap there, I know. Yeah, sure, that doesn't matter. Okay, thanks. The way the tiles are created, but didn't really change much. I have a bit of something here that is pretty important. That's just trash. And that's trash. Okay, I don't get why it's not working anymore. Is it because of the grid moved? Oh, I scaled everything. This is why. Yep, that's why. And scaled with a weird number, so that's the problem. Okay. So we're gonna fix all that by selecting everything. Okay, what if I scale them by 3 times? And then I'm gonna move them again. So let's say that one goes here. Actually, I'm gonna snap it by 100. Makes more sense. Oof. Boom. Boom. Okay. Then I can just like move it back in the middle. That's good. Actually, I'm just gonna offset it a little bit just because it's nicer. And then for the height, I guess 100 units is not too bad. It's a bit big. So 50 units for the height maybe. Something like that. That one goes up. Okay. Cancel everything. Okay, good. Now I'm just gonna look at that. I'm gonna keep these prints for now. Oh, damn, that's a big mess here. Alright. Okay. So the grid center location, that's good. The grid size. Okay. Do I want to snap? Snapping the center location is fine. I don't think it's a problem. But maybe the tile size I wanted to have the height included. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna put the tile size in the vector instead. It's a bit everywhere. That's no good. What's that thing? Okay, that's gonna be useful later. Okay, for now I'm gonna ignore it. Yeah. So that one is gonna be the tile scale. Because it saves a bit to calculate only once at the beginning. Then so this is gonna be the tile location. Where's the tile location? I already have it. Doesn't seem to be there. Okay, so here it is. Tile location that we're gonna do a line trace with it. Then whatever. Nothing I don't care for now. Tiles. Oops. Can I rename it? Tiles. That's good. Okay. And then we spawn them and call it it's complete, even though I don't care anymore because we're gonna probably change that. Yeah, whatever. It's not a big deal. Okay. So the create tile here. It's probably gonna be deleted. Screw the index, I don't care. Do the box trace, that's good. If false, we wanted to add that. Go back in the spawn grid. If false, we're adding that. Probably gonna have that index here. So this is gonna be the X, that one's gonna be the Y, then I'm probably gonna recombine that, multiply it. Okay. Tile location, boom. We're gonna add the index, which is good. That one is none. The actor is not necessary anymore. That one's not useful. And then the only thing that I want is this. So this is gonna be a normal type. Here we go. Okay. And then we add them. This is not useful. Okay, so create tile is not useful anymore. I don't need any of that thing, so goodbye. Destroy tiles. So maybe what can do is like destroy grid. I'm gonna remove that and go boom. I'm gonna remove the async processing that I did because it was not that great. Cleared instances. Clear everything. Goodbye destroy tiles. The box trace. That can actually be good if I save it somewhere. Anyway, we'll see. Spawn grid. That one's good. Destroy grid is good. Find path. Yeah, I'm gonna have to clean that up. Distance between two tiles. That's good. Valid tile neighbor. That's actually good. I don't need that. I'm gonna rename this. The index. Possible neighbor. Get this thing and then we add it. That's good. That function's a mess also. First tile here. Okay. Okay, so that seems good. Make it better possible. Okay. I'm gonna move all that in like pathfinding or something. Actually that one was the only one I didn't want to move. Is that thing's gonna be used somewhere? I don't think so. That's just a big mess of crap. Yeah, that's not used anymore. Goodbye, I guess. Goodbye all the tests I did. Boom. That's not useful. That's not used anymore. That either. What is this? Okay, yeah. I think I'm gonna clear that for now. I don't know. Okay, that seems fine. Okay. Okay, so I have this mess to fix. Which is not much, so it should be fine. I want to see if it still works though. Okay. My grid is still not aligned properly. What the heck? What's the size that I use? 50 is a pretty normal size. It's weird. Should not be a problem. Okay, so just to make sure, I'm gonna do that. See what happens if I do that. Nothing, because it's broken. Oh, that's odd. It works in that little spot here. Huh. What the heck is happening with my grid? Is this supposed to work? Yeah, it works everywhere. That's weird. It's like the snap to grid is broken somehow. Zero minus 50. Oh, I have to divide by the tile size here. Okay, that seems a tiny bit better. Okay, only in the positive side though. What the heck? We have to minus the grid left. Okay, maybe we want to minus it instead. 0, 0. That seems good. That seems good. Where's my tile? Okay, so what the hell? Why is it not working? Oh, I'm annoyed. It finds it. Mm. Is this working? It's not working. What the heck? Where's my plane? And why is my crit like that? Oh, god damn it. I don't understand anything anymore. Because of that. Okay, here we go. So now I can just snap it. That should be good. Okay, so now I have my tile here. That's odd. Okay, seems fine. So what's wrong with these? Maybe I just have to like align them. Whatever. Whoa. Align them too much. It's weird. So what, I have to add it like plus 25? That's weird. $25, $625. That's weird. Should be good if the tile size is like 100. Okay, that one's stupidly bad placed, I guess. Here we go. Okay, whatever. All right. Okay, now it's aligned. And it seems to work. The FPS should be good. Yep, it's all good. Now I'm printing way too much, that's why, but yeah, it's all good. And I'm streaming at the same time, so that's good. Oh, I clicked. Yeah, that's not good. Yeah, I should not click because the thing is different now. Okay. Okay, so we now have a grid. That takes way less time to spawn, so that's good. So I guess now the time is to make it interesting. So here. So we want to spawn the grid, but we want to detect the ground type. And we really don't want to have to have the complicated setup, I think. So maybe we can just use a multi-line trace. And then if it touches something else, yeah, let's try that. So multi-box trace by channel. So I guess I can just return that this like that. Like that. It's gonna be the same values. The Z doesn't matter. Trace channel, it's gonna be the trace channel here. Okay. Okay. What if I just start with that? Actually, I'm just gonna close everything. So is this gonna be super slow or not? If the length is equal to 1, actually you probably just want to switch on the length. It will be faster. Switch on the length. So if the length is 0, that's it. We added none. If the length is 1, we're just gonna set the position with the first item of the linked, of the array. Otherwise, we have to play with it a little bit. But for now, Rick. So the impact point, boom, or just location. Okay. So only this should be good enough, I think. Okay. So is this gonna be bad? Performance-wise. Nothing changed on a small grid like this. But let's say if I put it back to 100 by 100 and a smaller grid. That seems fine, actually. Maybe it's because I don't have multiple actor for my interest. Okay, that's good. Okay, so that's good. Okay, I'm gonna get back to this, maybe a 10. That's good. It's not aligned anymore. I don't know why. It was aligned before. Anyway. So now we could have a grid modifier. VP grid modifier. Which is just gonna be a cube. Just a cube for now. The cube is gonna ignore everything except grid. Actually, no, not grid, ground. I have to remove the ground object, doesn't matter. Query only. So I can put some grid modifiers somewhere in the scene. Let's say this here. Doesn't matter. I just want to create some obstacle, random ones with random sizes and shapes. That's good. Actually, I probably want to like block this section right here, maybe. I don't know. Okay. Good. And now this grid modifier, I just want to, or maybe like a tile type. So per modifier, we can have a different tile type, and by default, it's just gonna be like a big obstacle or something. I don't know. Okay. So now if there's more than 0 or 1, I'm gonna have to for each loop in there. And then that's gonna be a little bit interesting. I'm gonna have to cast it. So break the it. Okay, so we have to create this structure and then add it. So I'm gonna recombine it. Promote local. Strict. Whatever. With the index here. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. The structure, I'm gonna make it here. Or actually, there's two things, the location and the ground type. So I don't actually need that thing. No, that's all right. That's great. Nice. Okay, so I'm just gonna remove that then. Then I'm gonna cast it. Cast to modifier or yeah, grid modifier. If it's a grid modifier, we wanna add it using the tile type of the grid modifier. It's good. Otherwise, we're gonna add it with this thingy. So we're just gonna do that. Boom, 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 and location, use location there. Something like that. So that seems all right. Okay, so now if we press play. Okay, that's actually not good. Because that was supposed to be down there. Grid is a little bit small. I'm just gonna put it back to like 50 or something. Boom. Okay, so this is not good. This is really not good. Okay. Why is this happening? Are the cubes grid modifiers? They are. Is the cast working? The cast doesn't seem to work. That's interesting. Huh. It's stopping at the first one. Oh, they are not blocking grid, that's why. Ground, they are. Channel ground. Okay, they are blocking ground. So maybe they should just overlap ground. That's the... Instead of blocking it, I'm gonna remove the line trace. Because it breaks everything. That makes everything lag. That looks better. Okay. So now I have a grid, and under it, okay, that seems good. Okay. Okay. So we have the grid modifiers here. It's a cube, but probably just a box is gonna be enough. Yeah, and then we're gonna have way to display the tiles. Maybe a debug checkbox or something. Yep. Okay, just gonna go get some water, and I'm gonna be back. Continue on that. Oh, I don't have my be right back thing, so I'm just gonna be right back. Okay, so it would be nice to be able to display all the tile types. Okay, so display all the thingies, all the tile types based on the colors and stuff would be nice. So I guess we're gonna work on that now. So maybe you can make this cube hidden or something, whatever, it doesn't matter anyway. Okay, so to display this, actually the multi-trace seems to work, so I'm just gonna keep it. As we saw, doing this calculation a bunch of time, and that one is not great, but I guess that one is not too bad since it's just whatever. Or actually, what if I do something like this? Woohoo! This, that, and I put it like huge in Z. Would it work? Nope. That's no good. Okay, never mind. So that's better. And then alpha size is gonna be like 0.1, whatever. It's alright. Okay. And this calculation here, we can check real quick if it's worth it to improve that. So what we can do is DC now. Actually, no, this now. Promote the variable. Before and after the trace. So this. So this minus now, and this is the time span that we're just gonna add with the previous time span here, and we're gonna set it. So we're gonna accumulate everything, and then at the end we're gonna print it. And we'll see how long it is, how long it takes, and I don't want that print here, makes it super slow. Okay, so it takes minus 88, that's no good. This is inverted. $102, 70, 95, 104. Okay. What if I just put this to half the size, which is 50, I think. So 24 by 24. 104, 92, 85, 91. So it's not worth it. Can keep that like this. Some optimizations are not worth it. So that's good. Okay. Good, 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 good. Okay. So now, display tile types. Okay. The music's so weird. What the? Okay. So what we could do is display the tiles Okay. So we can have like the same thing, but with different things. I mean, with different. That's weird. This is not the right mesh material, I mean. That's so weird. Why is it working? Yeah, I don't know why it's working. Should not work. Okay. And then I want to go remove that thing here. And that one, I guess, can be like 0. And don't go in the log, please. Just because it's annoying. Good. Okay, good. So now find a way to display different tiles. So the reason why it was lagging before, it's because using meshes, normal meshes, it's super annoying. But if we use, not super annoying, but super expensive. But if we use instant static mesh, it's better. So we're gonna use instant static mesh to display these things. We can probably just create a new instant static mesh per type. Okay, so we can have like a debug feature. Debug types display. I don't know. And array of tire types, maybe. This and then we can have just a bool to toggle it quickly, maybe. Debug display types. I don't know. Something like that. I don't care much. We're just gonna put it in debug. Debug. Nope. Debug. Okay. So display debug display tile types. Toggle display. I don't know. Debug tile types. I don't care much. Okay, so if actually, you might want to set it right there. Actually, we're gonna set it here. Something like that. And then if we display it, we're gonna make them visible, otherwise we're gonna add them. For that, we need to create component. Add component by class. It's gonna be an hierarchical instance as mesh component. No, it's just gonna be an instance Static mesh component, boom, boom. Mineral attachment, no. Red transform, I don't care, we'll just make it 0. Set mesh. Set static mesh. The static mesh is gonna be the exact same as the one that we're using for the grid. Get mesh. Static, get static mesh, thank you. And the material, set material. That one's gonna be interesting. We can probably create a material that can be changed dynamically. Screw that one, I guess. But I can probably just keep that. The grid is pretty simple. Do I want to just add a multiplier with the color, maybe? Maybe I can just like combine both. I don't want to make it translucent. It's gonna be too expensive for nothing. Way too expensive. So I guess we can just, I don't know, man. I can probably just modify that one a little bit. Like with an add here, just to have like a different mask. Opacity add, by default it's gonna be 0, but what if we update it? Increase it by 1 or whatever, it's fine, it's gonna be opaque. Then we can use the color, multiply that by the color or something. So if we put it to 1, should be opaque, completely opaque. Yeah, that's good. And then this is the color. That we're just gonna multiply that thing with it. Something like that, I don't know. By default, black is good. Okay. So then we can use the same material for everything. Here, what we want to do is get this material. Nope. Material. Create dynamic material instance. And we're gonna set that to this. The name I don't care, blah blah blah, I don't care. Set parameter. So we're gonna set the vector, and we're gonna set a scalar. The scalar is gonna be opacity add. The vector is gonna be color. That one, I don't care. I'm gonna put 1 just to be opaque. And the color, I'm gonna select based on the type that we're adding. But then what I have to do, I'm gonna promote that to not local variable. So what it is an instance static mesh. Components, I don't care. Instance static mesh component, good. We're just gonna add that. For element for a file type and then we're just gonna not equal. If it's not equal, normal and none. That's weird. Okay. Something like that. Then we can add it there. If it's not already in there. If it's not valid, we're gonna create it. But if it's valid, we're just gonna update it. Set hidden in game. Yeah, this seems to be taking a while. Like component, whatever. Okay, set the static mesh. do this, and then set the material. And the color is gonna be based on the type. Normal, I don't care. Total cost is gonna be, I don't know. Okay. Or darker gray, darker gray. All is gonna be probably a black. Small obstacle can be like brownish. Big obstacle a reddish. And none, it's not gonna be there. Okay. Something like that. I don't care much. Okay. Or maybe I can just put this. Put that if here maybe. Maybe more something like that. Okay. Took a lot of time for nothing, but whatever. Okay. Input. I don't know. Speech. Come on. Okay. Should be good. Yeah. See how it goes. Oh, that doesn't do shit. Because we have to add all the instances now. Whatever. I'll use. Split equal. So now if it's equal to the type, we want to add the instance. And to add the instance, We're gonna have a new function, I guess. Because this is the index. So from the index, what we have to do is this. We're gonna have to multiply by something. Oh damn, I'm getting tired. It's getting late. Okay, so we have the index. We're gonna multiply the index by the grid size, and then we're gonna add that to this one. To get the real world location. Or not. Can just start doing that. Something like that. I don't care much. Debug stuff. It didn't seem to work. Why? Okay. Okay, now it worked. Okay, so that worked alright, I guess. The height is not good, but that's it. Maybe I can just add more stuff. In the grid data, I can add the transform of the tile. Not really transform, I guess, but the location. Or why not transform? Do I need to transform? I don't care much, but tile location instead of the actor, because I don't care about the actor. Front of Francis. Yeah. Here we go with the location. Then I need that thing. Okay. Is that useful somewhere else? Not really. Will be here. At that point I can add the transform. Makes more sense anyway. To the transform completely. So the transform, that one's gonna recombine everything. Boom, spawn the transform there. Yeah, I don't care about all that stuff. Okay. Okay. Something like that. Now I just have to add that transform. We're gonna set the tile style, scale. Okay. Then we can just recombine all that. Add a transform there. Boom. And then transform at the end. That's good. Then here. Okay, so then we have to set the transform here. I don't care about that. Gonna do this. And the type there. And then we're gonna add both of these at the end there. God damn it. Okay. Type here. Okay, so that should be good. That should work. Whoa. Yeah, that's not useful anymore. Anyway. Really do have to fix that. Because now the path is not working anymore. Where will the grid not compile? What the heck? Okay, good. So now we have all the bad tiles that are highlighted in red. That's great. Yep. Good. Yep. Okay. And if I change this to, let's say, small obstacle, that one's gonna be a triple cast. That one can be a double cast. Then that one, I guess, gonna be a hole. Now if I do this, boom, boom, we have some black, red, yellow, gray, and whatever. That seems good. And I think I can toggle it. That's gonna be fast. Yeah, I can probably just do it for the normal too. Just to do all of them. That's like a color coding thing. So we can do that. That should be fine. Okay. Black is a little bit dark. Completely white. So I guess I'm gonna clear that when I destroy the grid. Okay. Okay. But yep, I guess that's gonna be it for now though. Yep, I'm getting tired. So I guess I'm gonna take a break. So that's gonna be the end of the stream. Yay! Alright. Thanks for passing by. I'm gonna see you in the next one, probably. Maybe. So yeah, that takes a bit of time. Yeah. But yeah, anyway. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. And bye-bye. I will see you next time. Ciao, ciao.